In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Notion cover photos in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new Notion workspace or simply updating an existing page, finding the right cover photo can bring a cohesive and personalized touch to your digital environment. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily do this. First, start by heading to your Notion workspace. If you're already familiar with how Notion functions, this process will feel like second nature. For newcomers, you just need to navigate to the Notion application or website and log into your account. Once you're in, you're ready to either open up the page you want to customize, or, if you prefer, you can create a new page. Notion's flexibility allows you to design your space exactly how you want, making it a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. With your page open, you'll want to look for and click on the option that says Change Cover, located near the top of the page. It's a straightforward process that allows you to instantly elevate the appearance of your page. From here, you're presented with a couple of different options to choose a cover photo. One of the quickest ways to get a stunning image for your page is to opt for the Unsplash option. Unsplash is an immense repository of high-quality, professional-grade photos spanning countless themes and styles. This is where the epicenter of your customization journey begins. When you click on Unsplash, you'll be prompted to type in a word or phrase that matches the vibe or theme you're going for. It's essentially a search engine for inspiration right at your fingertips. Whether you're looking for something calming, like nature scenes, or something more lively, like cityscapes, typing in a few descriptive keywords can help you find the perfect image in no time. But say you're wanting something a little more unique or specific, that's where external sources come into play. If you're unable to find the perfect match right here in Notion using Unsplash, you can always browse other free image sources like Pexels or Pixabay. Once you've located that image that truly resonates with the vibe you're trying to create, you can download it to your device. Matching your vibe means selecting photos that not only aesthetically please, but also support the intention of your content. Whether it's a productivity vibe for your work dashboard or a more relaxed, creative feel for a personal journal, the visual elements play a key role in enhancing your Notion experience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily find and set the perfect Notion cover photo that matches your unique style and purpose. Happy Notioning.